So one of the biggest challenges we had in Accenture, especially as the team Electronics and High Tech, was that it's a very new team. We had a lot of new faces coming in, and we were presented with the challenge of, what do we do to get them all together, to get to know each other, build relationships, and think about what we want to do in the future.
The activities and the programs that we go through will help to strengthen the internal relationships that are happening within our own team already.
It's a very reflective process, the workshop. I look back and I think I learned a lot on how basics must always be there. You need to first connect with each other, get to know each other well, and then reapply everything that we've been through the small activities that we did today.
So all of you have to make sure you stick your post-it on someone else, and you gotta get one post-it on your back as well.
I think this has been a really interesting workshop where everyone breaks the barriers. No one talks about what level you're on, what role you're in. Everyone is equal, and we learn about how team dynamics work. We learn about how we can work together to achieve the task.
The brain doesn't do very well when it's given a no.
So the most important thing you want to get out is, of course, you want to make sure that everyone in the team bonds with each other, at least goes away knowing not just the name, but is able to put a picture in front of the name. At the end of the day, once we leave the doors, we want to take back with us some of these ideas, these inspirations.
Hey, you're not supposed to start!
Couple of things which is really beneficial, or I'm seeing the benefits. I think the first one is we're really starting to build a very engaged and committed team. So I think that's really a positive step in the right direction. And I think last but not least, building the team to work towards a common goal. And I think that's really important. See that vision, they're committed to it, and are happy to be part of it and enjoy it.
If there's any organisation out there that is wanting to make a change or is willing to take the next leap forward to move to a new level, I think Alvigor is a very good organisation because they have brought together a team of individuals who are probably experts in their own fields to bring their experience in, bring their best practices in, and share with companies like ourselves. And I think over the course of the day today, we have really had a very positive exchange, a very constructive exchange, and we take back a lot of these best practices and learnings, and we are very excited about the possibilities that's now in store for us.